This is just a very quick lecture where I'll show you how we can review part properties, such as the surface area of a part, the density of that assigned material, the total mass of a part. It will also confirm the assigned material and appearance, and also show us the center of mass location and a few other properties as well. So I'm going to be working with this part here. And let's say, for example, we wanted to understand what the mass was and just double check what the assigned material was and perhaps the density as well. If we come over to our browser tree where we have bodies, we have body 1, which is this part here. We're going to right click on that. We're going to come down to properties. Left click once, our toolbox pops up. We have all the information here. So we've got the total surface area, millimeters squared, the density of this particular material. And if we look down here, the physical material assigned is the default in Fusion, which is steel. We've got the mass of this part, so it's coming in at 1 kilo as per these dimensions. We've got the volume of the body, confirming the appearance, which again is the default that goes alongside steel, so steel, satin finish. Then we've got the center of mass and some other properties here. The one useful tool here, if you want to communicate this data with your client or boss, you can copy to clipboard and then paste that perhaps in an email or a document if you're doing a report or something like that. So yeah, a very quick tip, come over to the browser, you right click on the body, go to properties, you've got all the relevant data there. And one quick tip, you'll see here that all the units I'm working with here are in metric. If you work in imperial, no issues, press OK there. Come across to the document settings under the browser. Next to the units, let's change those guys to inches. I'm going to right click on the body again, go on properties, and then you'll see the units are in imperial measurements. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next lecture.